script. The yes, but the spelling is wrong. Sprite. Very good, Bibi. Excellent. Thank you. It is called Sprite. This is called as Sprite. Can you see my cursor? Write in the chat, yes or no, or thumbs up. Because I'm going to put the cursor and explain. Samira, are you there? Because I don't see you writing anything. Havagul, are you there? Scratch
Yes,
is the
teacher.
app. Scratch
I'm
is
here.
the app, Samira. The app name is Scratch. And this cat which you see, the picture which you see, that is called as sprite. That is called the character or the sprite. Okay. Now, what do we call this? The cursor I'm showing. What do we call these? On the left hand side corner. Blue color and with different codes, color codes. Blocks. Very good, Vivi. Excellent. I'm so happy to see you. Very good. See that you have revised it. They are called blocks. What about others? What are they called? You need to write in the chat, each and everybody. Otherwise, you will not remember. If you write it, then you'll remember. No, Fahima, this is not called screen. This is not called the blue color on the left-hand side. It is not called screen. They are called, yes, they are called blocks. Correct. What about the others? Samira, Havagul. If you don't write, you will not remember. So if you write it at least once, it will retain in your mind. Block palette. Yes, correct. Block palette. Okay. Havagul, you haven't written. I'm waiting for you. Please write. I want to see active participation. I don't want you all to open your mouth. I want you all to write in the chat. So your participation is through writing in the chat. Then you will enjoy the class because you will say that I have learned and I am able to answer. Then you'll feel happy and you would like to take part more and more. Okay, thank you. Now, what is this blank space? Supposing these blocks, I moved and put it here. The block, I put it here, or I put another block over here. What do you call this block? This block area where I put the block in this area. You can see what is this called? I have put the block area. When I put the block, you have seen that it can be moved, and when you bring it close, it's connected. So what do we call this area? We said blocks or instructions. If you remember, we also called it as instructions. And when the instructions and the blocks are put here, what do we call this area? What are you doing in this area? You're doing something. There are also instructions that are also called as instruction block area. No, BB. No, area is correct. Area is correct. Another name for instruction, four-letter word, begins with C. What are you doing here? You're, you're doing something. Coding area, absolutely correct, sir. We call this as coding area or programming area. Coding area, programming area. So we have learned the sprite. We have learned the blocks or instructions or codes. And when we bring the blocks and to that area, we call it as coding area or programming area. Okay. Now, when you see the cat, now I have put a flag here and I'm clicking on the flag or I'm clicking on the green flag. What are you seeing? What are you seeing on the screen? Yes, that area is called the screen. Absolutely. Movement, Fahima. So movement is happening where? Where is the movement happening? Where is the movement happening? This area, this whole area is called? No, script. Yes, he's moving, he's jumping. He's not actually jumping, okay, walking actually. Jumping or walking, whatever. Correct also. In the screen, in the screen. Another name for screen, five-letter word, begins with S again, where actors perform on the, it is the cat, the picture. Picture is a sprite. The area where the movement is happening. What you call that area? That area is called, no, block area is this on the left hand side. The instruction is. He is not escaping. Walk. We haven't done anything over here where what is there. Your imagination is very good. Must be somebody is behind. That's why he's escaping. Not a bad idea. But I am just trying to say that there is some action being taken place. When I'm clicking, when I'm clicking the green, there are here some action is being taking place. So the area where the action is taking place, that area is called what? She has already written screen. Bibi has written screen. Yes, Fahima, stage. Screen or stage. Absolutely correct. It is called screen or stage where the action is taking place. So when you put the coding over here, you will find that, however, blocks are organizing things, okay, or instructions. We call them as instructions or codes. Okay. Oh, thank you. So I'm happy that you remember the mm, the basics what we learned last week. So now, can you see the presentation? Yes or no? Drag and drop. Yes. Okay. Thank you. Drag and drop is the block in the coding area, like the Legos. Good, Vivi. I remember. I'm so happy to see that you all still remember some of the terms and the way the work is going on. Very good. Now, a little more into this. Okay, we'll learn a little more about the picture and let us see this picture. You can see the picture. What is this picture telling about? What is this picture telling about? It is what? What is that place? If you see the picture, what it is? You can see the picture. There are trees and grass and a bench and a lamp. There are lamps, street lights. So what you call? Okay, park. And the girl is in the park. Okay, the girl is in the park. Okay. Now, imagine she's in the park. Okay. Imagine there is no park. Close your eyes, all of you, and you just see the girl there and no park. There is no park for you. Imagine that. Close your eyes and just imagine a girl is there. There is no park. Do you like that place? Only a girl standing there with nothing over there. Did you like that place? Yes or no? Just imagine, close your eyes, and you just look into your or to that place where there is nothing but the girl is standing, just standing there. There is nothing there. There is no park. The girl is just standing there. So did you like that place? Samira, why did you like that place? Bibi says no. Fahima says no. Yes. Samira, why did you like that place? There is nothing over there. And you still like that place. Why?
Teacher, there is a green place and it's
You
comfortable.
can answer if you want to, or you can write in the chat.
Okay, okay.
Why didn't you like the why didn't you like the place? She likes the dust, I think. That's a good one. Okay. No, I'll tell you why I asked this question. Now, okay, Bibi, Samira doesn't want to say. Samira, did you like that place? I like that place. Which one? With the park or without the park? With the park or without the park even? Because there is nothing there. Only the girl is standing there. There is green place. It's comfortable. Yes, but I told you to imagine that there is no green place. Just the girl standing there. There is nothing there. Just the girl is standing. Do you like that place? Do you like that place? Yes or no? Quickly. Don't take such a lot of time. If you take a lot of time, then I cannot finish the class. No, yes. Now you got the point. Now again, close your eyes and imagine the girl is in the park. Do you like that place? The girl is in the park. Do you like that place? Imagine you find a green park and the girl is standing near the lamp, street lamp in the park. Do you like that place? Yes or no? Quickly, quickly, quickly. Yes, very good. So I'm not going to tell much about why I asked this question because we will be coming to that part. Yeah, this picture depicts a greenery space with some leafy trees, and there is a girl standing, and her behind is blank. Okay, behind is nothing there. She's all alone in the park. Okay, yes, you like the place. So, do you think that you need a place to put the character, to put the sprite? This girl is the character, the sprite. That girl is the sprite. And she is in the park. So do you need some place to have the sprite to show where is the sprite? Do you need any place to show where is the sprite? Girl is the sprite, the character. So for the character, do we need, yes, Nasima, it shows a serene uh, atmosphere. Now, my question is that the girl is called the sprite and and there she is in the park. A park is a place, right? So, do we need to have a place to show where the sprite is or where the character is? Do we need a place? Yeah, correct. Whether wherever she's standing, that's fine. But supposing the girl is not there, only the park is there, then you will say nobody is in the park. It's empty. But if the girl is there and the park is not there, then you will say nothing is there for the I don't know where is the girl all alone, which place I don't know. I'll show you this example again. Can you see this scratch? Yes or no? Or do I need to change? Can you see the scratched app? Can you see the craft app? Yes. Okay. Now you see here Sprite. Yes. And at the back, it is fully white. Do you like that place, which is fully white? Or do you like this place? Do you like this one? Which picture you like? Did you like, because the character is main, right? But don't you want to show where the character, what the character is doing in that place? Supposing the place is not there, if it, suppose, imagine you are in a room with no bed, no chair, no mirror, nothing in that room. Just you are standing in the middle of the room. Nothing is there. Do you like that room? Or do you like the room with the bed, the chair, the mirror, dressing table, all that things? Do you want to have all those things? Maybe she walks or runs, but there will be some greenery around, even if she walks and runs. Okay? There will be something. Whatever it is, there will be something there. There will be goalposts, there will be or starting point or end point. Something will be there to show that she's running. It cannot be a plain area, just a muddy area, isn't it? So you need to imagine. That's what I said. If you imagine that you are in the room with nothing in it, just the walls, will you like it? Tell me that. Will you like the room with nothing in it? Only you standing in the middle of the room? No, absolutely no. Supposing you had a bed and you had the wall decorated nicely and you have some chairs and you have a cupboard. Do you like that room where you are with all these things? With the dining? Yeah. So, oh, okay, Nasima, you didn't understand the main point of the lesson. Which part, now what I'm teaching, that part you didn't understand. Who can explain and translate that in Dari? Fahima, can you do that?
Sorry,
Yes,
dear
ma'am.
teacher.
Is it possible? Is your
Go
network
ahead,
okay to
Alexa.
explain in Dari? Or Samira, can you explain in Dari?
Sorry, dear teacher. This is Nasima speaking. Your main point of these lessons
Samira,
may
is it
be this
okay? Can you
photo
explain in
description.
Dari what I said? What I'm asking?
Ma'am, can I explain in
Anybody
Dari?
can try to explain in Dari
Yes, ma'am.
what I said now?
Yes,
Bibi,
ma'am.
can you
Can you
do
hear
that?
me, ma'am?
Yes,
Anybody
Fahima,
can
go
explain?
ahead.
Nasima is talking.
Fahima, go ahead. Explain, please.
Yes,
That's what
Samira,
Miss
can you please
Imandi wants you to do. Thank you,
explain in
Fahima.
Dari? Fahima, I
Okay,
can't
dear
hear
ma'am.
you. Sorry,
Uh,
there is some issue with your microphone.
am I not audible
No,
for
I can
Somebody
hear
everyone?
has
you.
to translate what I said in
Yeah, yeah,
Dari. I need your help.
yeah. Yeah, we can hear you, Fahima. Keep going.
Okay, dear ma'am.
Nobody is
تخبرني
interested to translate in Dari or did not understand.
No, Rajeshri, Fahima is
None of you
translating.
understood. Okay,
Rajeshri.
I'll explain again.
No,
Now,
Rajeshri. Rajeshri, you're not
I'll
listening.
try to explain again.
Rajeshri, can you hear me? Rajeshri? Rajeshri, can you hear me?
1 minute.
Rajeshri, can you hear me? Okay, wait, I'll call her. I think she can't hear us. That's an
Just a
issue.
second.
Yes, dear ma'am.
Okay, you translate in Dari, Fahima, if possible. Please translate in Dari what Miss Imandi said.
Okay, ma'am. دخترا که در درس قبلی نبودن حتما برشان مشکل فعلا پیش شده که استاد درباره چی توضیح میده. تقریبا فکر کنم 2 هفته است که
Why
ما
is it
درباره اپ
my mouse is troubling me today?
درباره اپ دخترا اگر میشه مایک رو نمیشه بسته کنین.
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead,
Why was I
Rajeshri.
muted?
Rajeshri.
Okay. Now I'll just
Rajeshri, can you
delete
hear
this
me?
whole thing.
I think you can't hear us.
Close this
Something is problem.
and I'll start again.
Just 1 second. I think she can't hear us.
Now, can you see the cat over here? The sprite. Can you see the sprite? Yes or no? Yeah, now I can hear. I couldn't hear you, Paramita. I don't know why. Can you all hear me?
We can hear you, but you can't hear us.
Can you hear me? Yes, okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, that's okay, Nasima. You need to understand the class again, the topic. That's okay. I will explain many number of times. I have no issue, but you should understand. No, I couldn't hear Fahima. Could you hear Fahima?
Yes, we can hear everyone, but you can't hear us. Rajeshri, can you hear us?
I couldn't hear Fahima. Could
No,
others hear
can you
Fahima?
hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Rajeshri, can you hear me?
I don't know whether. No, Paramita, I can't hear you.
Yeah.
Just a moment. Let me just check my microphone. If others can hear, then why can't I hear?
Yeah, we can hear everyone.
Just a moment.
Probably it's your connectivity
Yeah,
issue.
now I can hear. Now I can hear.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, very well.
Okay, now Fahima can explain. She was about to explain, but you couldn't hear her. Sorry, I'll
Exactly.
mute myself.
Thank
That's
you.
okay,
Thank
it
you.
happens. These things happen.
Okay, ma'am. Can I now explain in Dari?
Yeah, please.
اوکی دخترها تقریبا 2 هفته میشه که ما درباره اسکرچ اپ استاد بر ما درس میده که ای به خاطر ساختن کارتون است و فعلا که استاد درس میده فقط بر ما درس میده که مثلا کرکتر چیست استیج چیست یا بلاک چیست یا کدینگ اریا چیست فقط هم چیزی که مثلا ضرورت می باشه به اپ اسکرچ اونا رو بر ما درس میده که هفته قبلی هم فکر کنم که همین چیزایی رو که امروز از ما سوال کردن ما نتونستیم که جواب بدیم از ما پرسیدن و حالی هم بر ما مثلا درس خود ادامه میدن از ما سوال میکنن مثلا میگه که فعلا سوال استاد ای است باش من صفحه اولش ببین سوال استاد چی بود سوال استاد ای بود که آیا با یک کرکتر چی را میگن کرکتر هم کسی که مثلا در اینجا یک دانه پیشک است اون رو فعلا کرکتر میشه کرکتر یک شخصیت نه گفته که آیا با یک کرکتر ضرورت داریم در یک محل یا در یک پلیس یا در یک جای استاد سوالش چی است اگر مثلا کسانی که درس های قبلی رو فالو نکرده باشن شما میتونین که ویدیو رو در یوتیوب ببینین باز میفهمین که مثلا کرکتر چیست یا استیج چیست یا بلاک چیست یا کدینگ یا چیست دیگه چی است حالا استاد قبلا هم چند دقیقه پیشم براتون توضیح داد. فعلا فقط سوال استادی است که آیا ما به یک کرکتر نیاز داریم در یک جای، در یک پلیسی دیگه.
Say the
نسیم
cat.
افتاده اگر
Sorry, Fahima, tell character is also called as sprite because we will use the word sprite.
اوکی میم. و همچنان استاد میگه که امی کرکتر ما همچنان به نام اسپرایت یاد میکنیم. نامش اسپرایت است. چند دقیقه پیش استاد مثلا گفت که کل چیز توضیح داد. حالا هم استاد میگن که کرکتر رو به نام اسپرایت ما یاد میکنیم و هر کدامش یک نام مخصوص داره که شما باید درس قبلی رو فالو کنید در یوتیوب. باز تمامش استاد واضح تشریح دادن.
Thank you so much. Even I could understand what you said. Thank you so much, Fahima. Now,
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Nasima, is that clear to you now? And is it clear to others also?
Yes, dear teacher, yes, I understood.
Yes. Okay, thank you. Now, what I was asking the question, now you can see over here the blank space with only the sprite in the center. The cat is a sprite. Did you like this place with the sprite in the center? The place, the white place, which is called the stage where action takes place. Did you like that place? Yes or no? Yes or no? In the chat, quick. The place, you can only see the sprite, white color. Did you like this place? No. Okay. Anybody else? Others, quick. The white place, the stage, the background, the backdrop, the stage, the white stage. No. Okay. Anybody else? Others also? No. Good. Now, if I put something colorful over there, let me see what I can put. If I put, let us say that the cat is in the bedroom. Okay, it is sitting on the bed or it's standing on the bed. Did you like the background? Did you like the background? Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. So does the place make interesting to you? Does it create some enthusiasm? Something is going to happen now. The cat is in the room. Some interesting thing is going to happen. So it is something, curiosity is there that what is going to happen? Yes. But when the background, now what did we put over here? We put a background. What did we put? We put a background. This is called as background or backdrop. Background or backdrop. So when we have a place to show where the character is, where the sprite is, that place is called as backdrop or background. Yes, it is reminding me of Tom and Jerry. Absolutely. Even I was thinking the same thing. Yes, it looks like Tom and Jerry on the bed, and now the cat. So we'll have a game playing created in the same manner with Tom and Jerry. Yes, we can have that creating. You can do it. We'll see you doing that later. Okay, so this is called backdrop. Now I will teach here only how to do. I will go to the slide later. Now, just see here. You can see this picture over here sign, picture sign, like how you have on your phone. On your phone, you have this gallery picture sign. Yes, you can, if it is not, I don't know about iPhone, an Android phone has. Okay, when you click on this, you will find many backdrops. You will find many, many backdrops. I can take this blue sky. I can show this also. And I will say the cat is over here. Okay. Let me see if I put, I can add another sprite. I want the cat playing with the ball. Okay. So I will choose, you can see the cat picture over here. Yes or no? Yes, we are going to do animation little bit, step by step. First, let us know everything, understand the parts of the scratch, and then we'll do animation. Now you can see the sprite over here. Choose a sprite. It is in green color written. Choose a sprite. You can see that. So when I click on this, I find many pictures which are called the characters, which are called the sprite. You can select any of them. And I want to choose a ball because I want to say the cat wants to play with the ball. Okay. I choose a ball. I can bring it anywhere or I can bring it here. If I drag, I can take it over there. Wherever I want to place, I can place. I will come to that later, how it is happening. If I put it up, I can place it up, I can place it down, I can place it at the back, I can place it behind the cat, top of the cat sprite, right over here at the end, anywhere I want, I can place. Okay. So I have used the ball. So up to here, it is clear. So you can add as many character sprite you want. Supposing, let us see what else we can add. We can add a bird also. Let's see if we have a bird. Animals, let's see, we have animals. Or we can add a butterfly. What do you want to add? A bird? Let's see what other birds are there. We'll add this bird. Okay. The bird is in the sky. And see, the bird is very big. I don't want such a big bird, so I'll make it small. You can see size here. Can you see the word spelling size? Yes. So I'll make it small. This is called, you can see the bird. I can place it here. I can place it on its head. I want much smaller. I can make it smaller. 25%. So the bird is sitting on the, you can see that? Enjoying it? Or the bird is on the ball. Now, if I want to change the direction of the bird, there is direction here. Can you see the direction? Can you see? Always when it is straight, it is 90. I forgot to tell one more thing. Now, this cat, now when you want to show cat, you have to click on the sprite 1. The second is the ball. The third is the bird, parrot. So I want to see what is the size of the sprite 1. I can change the name. I can change the name of the sprite and write over there, cat here. Sprite 1, it is there. So I can write here cat. And I can change the name and ball over here, yellow ball. I can write here yellow ball. And the parrot, I can write here colorful parrot, anything you want. Or I can write the name of the parrot. What is the name of the parrot? Can it be Minu or any other name? Let's say Minu, the parrot's name. Okay. Or cat, like this. Now I have shown you, so I want to show you something more. Now you can see cat over here. The cat size over here is all the starting size, the beginning size. It is always 100. The beginning size is always 100. Now I want to change the size of the cat. So I put 200. How big it has become, see. Supposing I say 300, how big it has become. And supposing I say 50, It is so small. So size is you can change big or small. You can make the cat size any character or the sprite size big or small. And here is the ball. Now this bird, I want to change the position of the bird. It is straight like this. Now here is the degree. I'll show you. Supposing I change it like this. See, the bird's position is changed. Now I can change it more. Yes. Now I change it again. So now it has come back to the normal. Or you just write here 90. 90 is the normal size and 100 is the normal size. 100 and normal, it is default, which we call it in computer language, default. So this is the default size. Okay. If I increase the size of the sprite to 100, how big it will be? Say. So you're enjoying this part? I made it 50. I want to make it much more smaller. I'll make 25. And I want to turn the direction of the bird. So I will change it like this. Or if you want to change it the other way, this is the way you change it. Are you able to see? Yes or no? I have to know that. So I want to show it like this. Yes. Okay. Thank you, Fahima. So did you understand up to here? So it wants to come and peck on the, what do you mean by peck? With the beak. With the beak, it wants to peck on the ball. What do you mean by peck? P-E-C-K. Peck. The bird pecks the fruit. Catching or another word. What do you say when it tries to peck on the fruit? Or peck on the tree, on the stem, on the tree? Grabbing. No, not grabbing is holding it tight, taking it. Not grabbing. Search the word, meaning, and tell me. Peck. P-E-C-K. Peck. And what is it called in Dari? I'm waiting for the meaning. Peck meaning. And what it is called in Dari. Okay. Nobody? Peck meaning nobody. I'm still waiting. I can tell the answer, but I want it from you. In Dari, what did you? But in and peck mean okay in Dari, but what it is in English? The bird pecked your hand. It pecked your head. Bit, B-I-T-E, bite, not bit. Strike, bite your hand. Okay. Correct. Okay. Good, Bibi. Correct. Now she's correct. Bibi has to be careful with the spells. Okay. So up to here, it is all clear. Okay. So now I will go back to the slide so that we understand what we are studying. So we said that what did you say? I'm lost with words. We said that there is a character or the sprite
and we need a character. We need a place. Now, do you want the character to move? Yes or no? Or you want the character to stand like that in one place? Yes. Now, shall we see how to move the character? Let us move. Oh, yes, everybody is ready to see that, huh? Okay. So we want to move the character. So we'll move the first one, the cat. So whenever I want to use cat, I must click on the cat. If I want to use the ball, I must yellow ball. I must click on the ball. If I want to use the parrot menu, I have to click on the menu. So whichever I want, I must click that first. Otherwise, it will not work. Okay. So I want to move the cat. So to move the cat, I must go to the instructions. And instructions are over here on the left-hand side. Okay. There are many instructions. Motion, looks, sound, events, control, sensing, operators, variables, my blocks. Now, up for now, we will just focus for the this class and next class. We'll just focus on two things: motion and events. So first we go to event. What is event? You want the cat to move. How will the cat move? When you play any cartoon, any game on the mobile, you use your arrows. Isn't it? When you click on the arrow or when you click on something, it moves. Right? Or when you use a laptop. Or when you do want to have space in your writing a sentence and a word, you click the space bar. Isn't it? To move the word or go to the next paragraph or next line, you enter. So you need something, some kind of start you need. So for that start, yes, arrow. Sometimes it is arrow, sometimes it is flag in the game. Okay. Or you can also use, suppose this is the flag. I'll show you. This is the flag. Now you see then in this code, what I did, I dragged and I dropped. So it is drag and drop in which area? Coding area. And then you can see when flag clicked. Can you read that? When the green color is flag clicked. So when I click on the flag, what will happen? It will move. But just like that, it will not move. If I click on the flag, it will not move. I need something else to do. I need the steps, no, for it to move. So I need to add the steps. So how many steps will I add to move? The steps is in the motion. Motion is this blue color. I can add move 10 steps. I can change the 10 steps to 20 steps. Okay, first let me do with 10 steps. Let's see. Okay, now I clicked. I just want to move this. Oh no, because I went off to that next here. See, when I go to the next, the block coding what I put, you will not be able to see because I am using the parrot, the menu. So it is showing me menu over here. So I go back to cat and then you can see the code over here back. And when I click on the flag, green color here or here, whichever place you click, it is moving. Can you see it's moving? Yes, it is moving. Now I want to change it to 20 steps. Let's see whether it will move 20 steps. It will go out of the screen now. So we have to keep searching. So let's pull it back. So 20 step is too much. It is going out totally. So we'll put it to maybe 5 steps. Because when we want to do the game, we want it to move 5 steps and then kick the ball. Okay. So see, again, when I moved the ball, it went to the ball, yellow ball sprite over here, because then I need to give the code over here. Okay. Okay. So this is what you understood up to here. The movement. So I want this to move. Let us move the ball also. But if you want further more, wait, one more. Okay, there's one more thing which I wanted to show. Now we did with the flag. I don't want all this. Okay, I just want to I don't want this. So what I do, I put this down. I remove delete block, and I want to use some other thing like the space bar in the computer. Now I am not using my mouse and clicking. I am using my space bar. When I'm using my space bar, it is moving. You know the space bar on the laptop or the phone, space bar? You're all aware of the space bar? Yes. So when I'm clicking the space bar, it is moving. Okay. There is many options over here now. You can use the space bar or you can use the arrow. Now I'm using the arrow to move. See, I wrote here up arrow. So with the up arrow, it is moving. Now I will show you the next one. Down arrow. Down arrow actually should go down, but I have not written that. Okay, we'll show the right arrow. Right arrow, when you use right arrow, it is moving in the right direction. Okay. So there are different ways to start the game. So you can use the space. Now I don't want to use the space. I'm just removing the block. I want to use the flag. I jump. Now you see, remember, if I don't have this and if I click this, it will not move. But if I have this, if you remember, if you want to make the block Lego, using the Lego, you want to make a building, you need to join them. Until unless you don't join them, it will not show anything. So you need to join them. So I will join these two blocks together, then only it will move. That we'll learn. Vivi, don't jump so fast. We have lots to learn. Lot to learn. First, this is just the start. We will you have to learn about the basics. Then we will do the application using all the codes. And then I will tell you how to share. There is a sharing this thing in this Scratch. I will show you how to do that. Okay. You have done the sharing, the end part you have gone. First of all, let us do this starting part. Okay, we have learned up to here. Now, can we make the character big or small? I already showed you that. Yes or no? Can we make the character big or small? Yes or no? Yes. What about the other? Size option is there. Yes, very good. Okay, so we need a character called a sprite. What are the things we need now? When we want to create a game in the Scratch, what are the things we need? Sprite, write down, write in the chat. What are the things we need? We need a sprite. Then what do we need? Sprite, TE, sprite, background. Yes, blocks, code. Yes. Changing the size, background, GROUND. Screen, yes. Movement, yes. Very good. Moving left and right, up and down. Position, very good, Zora. See how interesting it is to see when you're right. I am so excited to teach more. Screen, right. Okay, so we move on to the next part. Now you can see over here, I showed you about the size. No, this is the axis part. This is not the one. This is the size, okay, the small to big. Okay, we can show like that. Now, if you are, this is a question for all of you. If you are making, I want somebody to read this. Who is going to read? Who has the microphone ready to read?
Can I
Can
Nasima,
I
read?
Nasima, will you read, please?
Okay, teacher, thank you.
Louder.
If you were making your own cartoon story, who would be your main character and where would the story happen?
Where would the story happen? That means if you, can you translate this in Dari?
گفته اگر که شما داستان کارتون خود if you were making your own cartoon story گفته اگر شما همی کارتونی که میخواین بسازین یک داستان who would be your main منظور شما از این چی خواد بود و شخصیت کرکتر and where would be the story happen و چی همی داستان چی را بیان میکنه یعنی دی داستان چی اتفاق میفته مثلا چی عمل و اما پرفرمنس میخوای دی اینجا انجام بده
Is it understood? What is the question saying? If you were making your own, now you are thinking of making the own cartoon story, who would be your main character? I want you to write down who would be the character, main sprite. It can be anybody. It can be your anyone, anybody. It need not be only animal or bird or cat. Anything it can be. So you write down what you want. A character. Which character? Which sprite you do want? Quick, quick, quick.
dear
And
teacher
where?
dear teacher
Yes.
in my opinion both is important character and happen
Yeah, but
performance
what character you want and where you want it to happen? See, BB said Tom and Jerry, and I want to make one on them. But where would you want them to have? Where would you want Tom and Jerry to 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 have? Where would they be? Where? Which place? Where you want it? Which place you want it? The place is called the background. So where you want it? In the room. Okay, so you're going to take the room and you want Tom and Jerry. Anybody else? Good, baby. Very good. Anybody others? Please write where you want the character, the sprite. What character you want? Which character? And Jerry will run from one room to another. From Tom. Okay. I would like my main character to be a curious young girl, if it is possible. Okay. And where? Which place? Background. Where should the girl be? Where should the girl be? Fahima, where you want the curious girl to be? The place. I would like she have to be in the zoo. Why so, Bibi? She's having a hearty time, huh, Bibi? Where will the girl be? Fahima, where do you want it? In a city. Okay. What about others? Others are not wanting to make the cartoon story or the not interested? Because I'm very curious to see. I would want a student in uh, many students, not one student, many student in a playground. So my sprite will be students and the place will be or the background will be playground. Okay, she says Mr. Bean and in his home. Okay, good, Zora. Nice, nice. In a city should be school, park, office, beautiful apartment. Oh, good. I want to be my character. Good, okay. And Spider-Man. Okay, well done. And where will the Spider-Man be? And where does Mahin want to be? Which place? Spider-Man should be, have a background. Place. Hadia. You have to mention which place. Samira is not writing. Nasima is not writing. In city, helping people. Okay, good. Very good. Quite interesting. I'm so happy to see all of you very enthusiastic. In city. I want Samira to write, Nasima to write. Fast, write quickly, otherwise I cannot continue. I would like to be a Cinderella. Okay, Cinderella spelling is Cinderella. Cinderella. And where, Cinderella, where? Where will the Cinderella be? Where does the Cinderella want to be? Washing dishes in the room or in the ballroom, dancing? Nasima want a student sprite and the story would happen in the playground. That is my cat. You cannot take mine, Nasima. That is mine. That is mine, Nasima. You have to choose something else. Cinderella in Afghanistan. Huh. Good. See, all so excited in their thoughts. Huh? Very enthusiasm is there in your thoughts. Good. But Fahima is not writing which place. In my dream, then you cannot, okay, you can still have the dream land showing. Huh? Very nice thought, but very nice. Good. Okay. Nasima has to change her sprite and her place because I have chosen that. Okay, that was in her. Okay. I will show you the dream. She can show it, you know. How do you see the dream in the movie? In a movie, how do you see it as a dream? It's same thing like that we have to do. Some yeah, something like that, cloud shape. We have to work out. That's a good thought. Now you are going to become more creative. Okay. But I'm still waiting for Nasima, her answer. You cannot choose playground and student. We move on to the next one. So, Scratch is now like a cartoon movie, right? Yes or no? It's like a cartoon movie. Now we are going to do a cartoon movie. Yes. So movie is what? Scratch. What is the movie known as? Called Scratch. Who is the actor? Sprite. Where is the movie place? The movie place is the background. And the actor position, X and Y. I will come to that, X and Y. I will explain that, X and Y. I think, and the actor height, size. So is this clear now? Up to here, is it clear? Yes, okay. Another question. Think, if you make a story about your school, who will be your character? If you want to make a story about your school, who will be your character? Who will be your sprite? My teacher. Okay. Anybody else? need not be only my teacher. It can be anything. The manager, my best friend, good. Who else? I can also have benches, the character. I can also have the blackboard, the character. My friend and classmates, yes. Classrooms can be the character. So I can have playground also can be the character. Science lab can be the character. No classroom is place. Classroom is a place. But character, if I want to choose the classroom as a character, I can choose. And then I put the classroom in a big school. Classroom can be background, classroom. If I want the classroom to be the character, where will I put the classroom? In the school. The school is the place. Classroom I'm taking as character. Understood? I'm only showing one room. The school is where the background. And yes, you got it. Yes, good. So understood. So good. What is a sprite? No, we all know what is a sprite. Do I need to explain now once more? Or you can read it to yourself. Read it loud. Who can read it? Who would like to read it? Or we
Teacher,
move
can
on. Okay, quick, quick, quick.
okay. What is a sprite? A sprite is a character or object in Scratch. Example: cat, girl, ball, car.
Good. Okay. We are past time. Okay. If you are a sprite in your classroom, if you become a scratch sprite, what would you like to do? You are a student and you are going to be the sprite. So what action movement would you like to do? What would you like to do? Write in the chat. Imagine you are the sprite. You are the student. Because you're a student right now, so you are a student. You are the student sprite. What would you like to do? Listen careful on my lessons, okay? But there should be some movement, Fahima. Otherwise, sitting like that, so boring. I will give a presentation on a topic, okay? Bibi, good. There should be some movement. Any kind of movement. You can do anything. Playing outside the classroom, good Zora. Study, reading, do homework. No, but there will be no movement. Cleaning the blackboard, yes. Mahin, there is no movement. I want some movement. Movement, writing is a movement. Reading cannot be the movement because it will be sitting like that. So writing can be a movement. Anything else? Samira, Nasima, Hadia, your answers quickly. Your answers, please. I want to do one last slide quickly. Quick, quick, quick. Nasima, are you there or are you sleeping? Are you vanished? Nasima is vanished. Okay, she's not there. Samira hasn't written. Studying. I will eat something in the last row. Oh, yes, I also did that. Bibi. Small sister is playing with Barbie doll, okay? But Hadia, you can, studying is, there is no movement. There has to be a movement because we are going to learn doing movements. So movement is very important, not just sitting. Pulling somebody's hair from back. distributing books, annoying our classmates. Yes. Pulling somebody's hair. That is what. Okay. How to choose a sprite? Now I already showed you how to choose a sprite. Once again, we go back. I need to just delete this. Yes, I'll delete this. I'll delete this. Now you tell me, where should I go to choose the sprite? Quickly, write in the chat. Where should I go to choose a sprite? Quick, quick, quick. No, Fahima. My instruction is I want to choose a sprite. From where should I go to take the sprite? Choose a sprite. No, motion is the block on the left hand side. You can use the directions right, left. Where is it? Right, left. What color is that? Choose a sprite. What color is it to click? Where should I click? I have my mouse between purple. Okay, purple. There are two purples here. Which one? There are two purples. First one can be even this. First can be this also. BB says correct. The cat one. Okay, choose a sprite. That option like a cat, right? So I go here. Then I click. Okay. When I click, which sprite do you want now? Let us choose all. All, which sprite you want? There are so many sprites. Which one? Bear. Okay, Fahima says bear. Okay, I choose the bear. Okay, now I want to change the background. So where should I go to change the background? Where should I go? Quick. Next to the cat. So you use a correct word, no? Go now go to the picture sign. Picture sign is this. This is not the background. This is sprite. Okay, picture sign, right. I'm sorry. Very good, baby. But you can say picture sign next to the cat symbol, okay, next to the cat symbol, or to the right of the cat symbol. Okay, I click this. So I get background. What background you want? Quick, 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 quick. Choose quick. Shall we go to this desert? Where is a desert? You don't find bear. Desert, we will not find bear. Okay. Still you said desert. So now I am lost. Where is the desert? Yes, desert, desert, desert. Ah, okay. I chose the desert. So here. Jungle. Winter, now I chose. Okay, we'll try all the choices. What you have said. Okay. You said jungle. Where is the jungle? Where is the jungle? Yeah, jungle. She said winter. Okay, let's try for winter. Winter, winter. Where is the winter? Here. Here you'll find polar bears. Okay, the white colors, white one. Snow. Garden, snow. Okay, let's try garden, snow. Arctic, we can see the snow. Garden. Where is the garden now? Where is the garden, 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 garden? Okay, so I've chosen everybody's now. Anybody else left? pool. Oh, now don't keep giving me so many. We can also search. Yeah. Hungry and searching for food, movement. That will be movement. When we have the food, we'll start. We can look for food. Okay. We'll put the food also over there. Then that goes as second character. Sorry. That goes as second character. Okay. So this is one. Now, the next character I want, this is the background. If you want to show food, then this is a sprite. Then it becomes sprite. Okay, it is eating cheesy puffs. Something bears don't like for bed. It can be innocent deer also. Okay. It can also have this, no, trying to see what food it is going to eat, whether it likes or not. Okay, so we can have so many characters. We can have so many sprites in it. Choose your sprite. We can have many number of sprites. We can have a deer. We can have uh, deer, animal. So we look for deer. Where is the deer? I don't see deer. I see dinosaur. I don't see deer. Is there a rabbit? Horse, hippo. Rabbit is there. So another character. We can have a rabbit. Okay. You want one more character? We can have butterflies. Okay. So we stop here. So we understood. We stop here. So we understood how to choose a sprite. We understood how to choose the background. Okay. So these are the backgrounds. The school stage needs decoration also. Now, match. Which background matches? With football, which background would you like to have? Football? Quickly in the chat. Football, which background? You have to match. Football goes with which background over here? Football, or you have to choose? Space. Football in the space stadium. Yes, Fahima, correct. Football, BV, football in the park. But when they are playing a football match, it won't be in a park. It will be in the stadium. Okay. Astronaut, where do you find the astronaut? Space, right. Teacher, I only see Fahinama and Mahen writing and Bibi writing. Others are all sleeping. Girl walking. Where will the girl walk? Where? Park. Good. Good. Samira is today very dull. Not okay, Samira. You're not well today. That's why you're not writing in the chat. Okay. Now, this part I will do in the next class because it will take a lot of time to explain this. Up to here, whatever I have taught, I want you to practice your listening. Was the spelling of listening is wrong. Please correct the spelling of listening. It is leasing you wrote. Okay. So the next part still wrong. It is listing. Listening. Very good, Zora. Listen is the okay. Listening is continuous verb. Okay. Uh, good. Now you picked. Not sorry. You're learning. There is no sorry over here, Samira. We're all learning over here. So by correcting your mistakes, and then you will learn. Okay. So the exit form, only Bibi, Mahin, and what was her name? Shabano, I think. Shabano. Only 3 of them has done the the exit form. The others did not. So remember, your exit form is your main thing for your attendance and the certificate. Based on that exit form, we will be issuing the certificate. So it's very important to fill in the exit form. Otherwise, you will lose out, not me. I am just teaching here. You are benefiting. So if you want something for yourself, you need to be sincere. You need to be disciplined. Unless you are disciplined and sincere, you will not get a certificate. So this is that's why the exit form. Your attendance is marked there, your questions, what you answer over there, that is seen, how punctual you are, how sincere you are, how seriously are you into this classes, doing the classes. So we look into all that. So exit form is checking all this for you. It is not just for the sake of sharing it with you all, but it is you who has to do it. We are just giving you, but you have to benefit it. You have to take the advantage of it. You have to show your seriousness. Until and unless you do all these things, the certificate is hanging in the corner. Otherwise, you don't get. If you want, you have to work. Working hard will give you something. So please translate what I said, somebody. Or Fahima, if you can translate quickly. Please translate. Fahima, are you there? Can you hear me?
Yes, dear ma'am. She asked about we have homework.
Translate.
Yes, ma'am. She asked me we have homework.
No, what I said. What I said right now to translate. Why exit form is important.
دخترها استاد میگن که اگزیت فرم حتما خانه پری کنین چون قبلا فقط 3 نفر خانه پری کردن. فکر کنم که مهند بود، شهربانو بود، مچم نفر دیگهش کی بود دیگه. گفتن که اگزیت فرم خانه پری کنین چون ای به خودتان هم خوب است و بر ما هم خوب است ما بفهمیم که شما چقدر یاد گرفتین. اگزیت فرم استاد دمی خود چت روان کرده که این وظیفه کل ماست و دیگه استاد گفتن که ما فقط اینجا به خاطر درس دادن هستم و تنها کسی که از این منفعت یا بنفیت میگیره شماست. شما باید درستان رو بخونین که یک چیزی یاد بگیرین. اگر زیاد کوشش کنین میتونین که یک چیزی را حاصل کنین. Ma'am, I translated for them.
Thank you. Ilaha, what do you have to say? You joined very late. Yes, tell me. We just finished the class, but you can see the recording.
Sure.
Yes, what?
Sorry, sure. I just wanted to apologize for not being present in the previous class and joining late in this class because we've recently moved to another city and we had some problem with internet and things like that. So I asked for the exit form and the recording of last Monday's
Last
morning,
class.
but I
Yeah,
didn't receive
last
the recording.
Yeah, Ilaha, last class there is an issue with the recording. Miss Paramita could not download the recording, so there was a technical error. So if she can do it, then she will do it and share it. But
Yeah.
she's still facing
We are
issue with
recording
it.
it. Have you finished the class, Miss Imandi?
Yeah, I have finished.